I just picked this up on Amazon. It's so rad. Pretty sure you can guess what's gonna go on here. But I'm sure you can't guess what I've got going on here. Check this out. Check it out. I'm so stoked for these. No, it's not beer. They're beer infused spice blends from Spiceology and my buddy Derek Wolf over the fire cooking. We're gonna be working with this jalapeno lime. We're gonna make some goldfish. It's gonna be great. All right, you guys ready for this? Check that out. Jalapeno lime blend here. Okay, welcome back to the kitchen and your computer or phone, whatever you're on. We're gonna start the dough. This is pretty much a one process type thing. We're making a dough, we're baking it off, we're making goldfish. Now, as you saw, we're gonna be working with this really cool jalapeno lime rub. So why not throw in some jalapeno in there? So first start off by cutting up this jalapeno. Butter. We've got the butter melting in here, and then we're just gonna toss in that jalapeno into the pan. We're just gonna cook this off until that jalapeno softens up a bit for about a minute or so. All right, we've got the mixing bowl. Toss in that butter jalapeno mix. Then your cheddar cheese. Don't buy that pre-shredded junk. Go ahead and shred it yourself. That pre-shredded stuff usually has like coating agents, makes it all weird. So I just got a block, shred it up, toss that in. 3 cups of flour. Then we've got the cup of milk. Good pinch of salt. Mix. That's what we're looking for right there. Okay, so what we've done here is we've taken the dough after it's rested for about 5 minutes, roll it out on a lightly floured surface until it's about ½ a centimeter thick. Then I took my special goldfish cutter. I found this on Amazon. I'll put the link down below if you want. And I just went ahead and stamped it all out until I had these little nice goldfish, because that's what we're making. We got a sheet tray with some parchment. Go ahead and oil that down a little bit just so it doesn't stick. Got the oven preheating at 350 Fahrenheit. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay these all spread out evenly. Then we're gonna toss them in and bake them off until they're golden brown. And then we'll toss them with this really nice jalapeno rub. We're just gonna bake these off for about 15 minutes or so, 350. All right, fresh out of the oven. These look so cool. Toss them into a bowl like this. Jalapeno lime rub. Now would you look at that? Check it out. We've got a jalapeno lime goldfish. Pretty cool. Now, of course, if you don't have this cutter, you could just go ahead and cut them into little squares, toss them in the oven the same way, and it'll be just fine. But yeah, I am so happy with these. They turned out so well. I even got the little eye on there, as you can see. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching the video. Go ahead and grab yourself a 6-pack. These are really nice. I've got 5 more videos coming up soon with each different blend, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe and hit the bell if you're new here, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.